Make the ground shake.
What's up guys, today we're going to be reviewing the EU18 by Raven. Now Raven is a particularly small company, a spin-off from Newprol, and this is one of their new products. The EU18 is a replica of the Glock 18, so it's pretty accurate in my opinion to how the Glock is, just without the branding. And it's also full auto, so it's a bonus. So here's the box. Pretty good box in my opinion. Looks pretty cool. So as you open it, inside the box, greeted with the instruction manual. You also get a patch as well, but I've already taken the patch out because I have used this Glock in actual airsoft games. So let's start off here. Get it out. Here you have the spare backs of the pistol grip, I guess. So basically if you have smaller or bigger hands than what's already on it, you can replace the back of the grip here, and it makes it more comfortable for your hands. So that's that. Here you have the new hop-up chamber or bucking, and then the hop-up rings as well. Alright, so in the box you have the one magazine for the Glock with the actual Glock itself. So let me take you through the actual pistol. So this is the EU18. As you can see, replica of the Glock. You have the top bit here with the serrations on the barrel, like the actual Glock 18, and also a bit like the other spin-offs of the Glock or replicas of the Glock by Umarex or Elite Force. They all have this on the top. On the top as well, you also have the foresight and the foresight and the rear sight. They're painted as well, so easier to see down see where you're aiming, I guess. Also on the Glock you have the fire selector switch. 1 dot is semi, 2 dots is full auto. I don't believe there's a safety on here, but that's all there is on that, I guess. Here you have the magazine release, and then here you have the little thing that you push down that basically allows you to take the slide off. And here you have the slide catch. Also has a nice sound when you pull it back as well. So yeah, that's the actual pistol. Also on the pistol you have the, I guess the only safety thing, which is the 2-stage trigger mechanism. So the first bit, basically what it does is if you pull it back here and you're not accidentally doing it, it basically stops negligent discharges. So you have to properly push it to fire. So, semi-auto on the Glock 18 with .25, alright? Bam! I'm all out. It locks back up. That's it. So, I don't know what really to say. That was pretty fun. Works really well. Accuracy is pretty good. I do recommend using 0.25 grams though. I use 6mm ammos, 0.25 gram BBs. I'm not sponsored or anything, I just genuinely think they're a good BB to use. Definitely you should pick some up for yourself. But I guess that's it for into the video.
Cause you got that. Cause you got that. Cause you got that. Like.